but it's not. But to just cut
Yes,
it short,
please clarify.
I
Thank
would
you.
just like to say that I'm just very, very honored that Abhishek Chaubey thought of me in this role. It's a very, very special role. It's short and sweet, but I think it's effective, and I'm happy I got to work with a wonderful director and a visionary who actually has put this film on celluloid, where we talk about it, we make documentaries on it, like Shahid said, and we talk about substance abuse, we say, drugs is wrong, drugs is this, drugs is that. There's a lot said about it, but a film on it and such wonderful actors together, I think we should hear it for Abhishek Chaubey.
Woohoo!
And thank you, Ekta. It's my first collaboration with her and not the last. The Phantoms have been amazing. So thank you for this amazing journey in my career.
We're coming to you now. With every film, you're just, pleasantly shocking us. Not even a surprise. Alia, did you even figure that when you saw yourself, makeup agar ho gaya uske baad mein, could you even recognize yourself? Do the Bihari migrant laborer that you did, and the kind of abusive language that you had to use, and the kind of stuff that you had to go through, what went in your head when you got the role and you did it?
No, firstly, I have to thank Abhishek that... firstly, also have to thank Shahid, because I think because of him is why Udta Punjabi even came to me in the first place. And then, obviously, Abhishek thought that I could pull it off. So, I don't know, I just went with the flow. I went with his vision. I wanted to be a part of this film. As Kareena also just said, it's a very important matter. And to put it out there as a full feature film with such a wonderful cast together, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And yeah, I wanted to play something different. And I just hope people buy it, yeah. That's my only worry and concern, that's it.
Otherwise, we'd all say, Ho gai na, pa.
Coming to Diljit Dosanjh, can we please hear it for him? कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है, no dialogues necessary, सिर्फ the fierce eyes that you look at the characters with is enough. And of course, the script which is so strong. So, जब आपके पास ये script आई, तब आपको क्या लगा कि हाँ ठीक है चलो कर लेते हैं, या फिर you thought चलो let me take some time and discuss and decide and then get back to Abhishek?
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Thank you so much guys. मैं इस लायक नहीं कि स्टेज ते खड़ सकां, but thank you अभिषेक सर, हनी सर, जिन्होंने मैंने पहला फ़ोन किया इस फिल्म के लिए, और फैंटम फिल्म्स, एकता मैम, तो करीना मैम, इन्हों के नाल खड़ के फोटो करानी मेरे लिए वड्डी गल है. उन्होंने नाल स्टेज ते खड़ना मेरे लिए बहुत वड्डी गल है. सो ये फिल्म जो मैंने ऑफर हुई, जो मैंने सर ने सुनाई, तो मैंने लगा कि इस तो वधिया मेरी एंट्री नहीं हो सकती इस फील्ड दे विच. और बहुत सारे लोग मैंने कहते सी कि जो तुसी बॉलीवुड शायद तू नहीं जा सकेगा क्योंकि तू टर्बन बंदा, तो रोल ज़्यादा होंगे नहीं टर्बन वाले लिए. बट मैं शौक सी कि जदों मैं पहले दिन गया था, सर ने मैंने कहा कि तेरी लुक दी सानू एक्सपेरीमेंट करना नहीं पैना, सानू सरदार मुंडा ही चाहिए सी. सो ये मेरे पग करके ही मैंने फिल्म मिली है. सो बस यही चल रही.
So honest, so sweet, so humble.